What is a function in JavaScript?
A function in JavaScript is a reusable block of code designed to perform a specific task. Instead of writing the same code over and over, you define a function once and use it whenever needed. Functions help organize your code, making it easier to read, debug, and maintain, which is especially important in web development projects.
How to create a simple function.
To create a function in JavaScript, use the keyword function, followed by a name, parentheses, and curly brackets. For example, function greet, console log hello. This code defines a function named greet that prints hello to the console when called. Functions can be named anything that follows JavaScript's naming rules.
Calling a function.
Once a function is defined, you can run it by using its name followed by parentheses. For example, writing greet is exactly present in the console. This is called calling or invoking the function. You can call the same function many times throughout your program.
Functions with parameters and arguments.
Functions can accept parameters, which act like placeholders for values. For example, function greet name console log hello plus name. When you call greet Alex, it prints hello Alex. Parameters make functions more flexible by allowing you to pass in different information each time you call them.
Why functions matter in web development.
The functions are essential in web development because they help you write organized, efficient, and maintainable code. They allow you to break your tasks into small, manageable pieces. As your web projects grow, using functions makes it easier to add features, fix bugs, and understand how your code works.